guys, welcome back. It's Nam here, and you guys may notice that I have moved it to the new garage, and let's have a look. So this is my new garage, and here is our bag right here, and some stuff we will put on the bag later, and something else over there. And you guys can see this is my BMWs and the Tesla flag. And the reason why I hung up these two flags it is because the BMWs reminds me of the quality and the Tesla reminds me of the innovation. So in this episode we will cut and fit the new exhaust, and now I will put this original exhaust back on the bag, and I will cut this piece off and fit in the new exhaust. So let's get started. So this is our new exhaust, very nice and shining. I think I will cut a curve here at the flat bar, but for now I just leave it here in case that we may need to do some adjustment. So this is today's episode, and if you guys have any questions or advice for me, just leave the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next episode.